Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
It's good, sir. How are you?
Excellent.
Good.
We're here to celebrate you.
Celebrate me?
Celebrate you.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
What happened?
We are. We're here to celebrate you with an orange spot.
Oh,
So you were nominated by Anne Marie, and what I would love to do is I would love to read this to you if you
All
don't
right.
mind,
Yeah.
which is really awesome. So Anne Marie had nominated you for leading the first annual Lead with Spirit Day, and this is what her description said, which is really awesome. It says, Dennis Barlow organized the event, partnered with the Saginaw Spirit Hockey Club on Saturday, February 4th. 13 school districts in Saginaw County, consisting of almost 2,000 students, including the CTE Youth Ambassadors and volunteers, participated in the Spirit's first annual Lead with Spirit Day. Students learned valuable and appropriate information on suicide awareness, drug prevention, and appropriate texting and social media use. Motivational speaker and CEO of Power of Dad was a guest speaker. Dennis surrounds himself with those who wear orange every day and sparkles orange all the time. He goes hard for kids daily and models the behavior we want students to emulate. He encourages, motivates, and goes above and beyond. Dennis gave up his weekend time to do what was best for the kids. He volunteered his time on a Saturday to ensure students get the SEL skills they need to succeed. Thank you. How awesome, man. How awesome. Thank you. Thank you. You're awesome.
you too. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you.